Hey everybody, it's Marty Mercer once again down here at Lurvey Landscape Supply and Garden Center in Des Plaines, Illinois. Last time we were together, we talked about crabgrass pre-emergent control mixed in with our fertilizer application. Now we're in the season where we're getting finally some good sunshine. We have had a lot of moisture, warmer temperatures. So now you probably maybe have already seen broadleaf weeds popping up in the lawn. So we want to talk about how we can control that and also fertilize our lawn. So we have these products here. Both of these are granulated applications with the fertilizer and the herbicide mixed together. We're going to pause in a few moments to show how we do this application appropriately so that everyone achieves this, success in controlling their broadleaf weeds. Now, one thing that's important to remember, really important to remember, if you have just recently done a fertilizer application, that would exclude using these products because we don't want to overfeed our lawn, damage our lawn, stress out our plants. So if that's the case, we have a couple of great options that are liquid applications. Again, selective, doesn't hurt the turf, but gets rid of the weeds. We have this, it's 2,4-D, very similar to the Trimec here. And then for those concerned about organic applications, we have this product here that is really just concentrated iron. And the efficacy is really quite good with this product as well. So we're going to take a break and demonstrate how it is the specific techniques to achieve success with the granulated weed and feed. Hey, here we are back. So a couple of really important things to ensure that we have good success and good control of our broadleaf weeds in our turf with a granulated weed and feed product. I'm wearing gloves because I'm throwing this out by hand. The only way to really assure success and also to have the proper rates is to use a broadcast spreader. Obviously, I'm doing this today just for demonstration purposes. So we have some Lurvey sod here. It's in great shape. We obviously have no weeds. But what we must know is that if the leaves on our weeds are not moist, the product won't stick to the leaves. And the only way that a weed and feed granulated will work is for the material to stick to the leaves of the weeds. So demonstration purposes, if I apply this, we can see right away that this material is just basically falling into and below the turf and the supposed broadleaf weeds. So that's not what we want. How do we fix that problem? We either do it in the morning when we still have dew on the surface of the leaves of the weeds, or we lightly water our lawn to get those weeds damp so that the material will actually stick. We're going to pause. We're going to put a little water on our simulated weed turf and show you how it does work and what we're really looking for. So what we've done is we've put water on the blades of grass, and so that we can demonstrate what our goal is in terms of having this material, which it must stick to the leaves of the weeds to be effective. So I'm going to simulate again. We would use a broadcast spreader. So we're going to throw the material across. And now what we see is it's starting to stick to the foliage of the leaves. And that's really our goal. Doing it on a thin bladed turf like this, not the best example, but I think it suffices to say that this is what we must do. Either do it in the morning with the dew, as I said before, or do a light sprinkler application. The only way that this material works is it must be on the leaves. Now, on a side note, same thing with these two products. If we just recently fertilized, like we said before, and we're going to do a liquid application over the top of the leaves of the plants, there again, the leaves must be present for the material to work. I think that's it. I'm so glad to have had you guys here with me today. I look forward to seeing you. Check us out on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and all those things that I really don't quite understand. But have a great day. Have fun. Can't wait to see you at Lurvey's.